Hey there, it's Akash, and I'll just quickly walk you through this N10 workflow. So this is a basic workflow that allows you to steal your LinkedIn competitors' engagements and turn them into leads. So I've already executed this workflow before recording this video. So I'll just quickly walk you through how it like ran and what are the outputs. So first is the schedule trigger node. So basically, you can schedule this workflow X number of times in a day. Let's say you want to run this workflow every hour. Basically, you want to identify the LinkedIn engagements of your competitor every hour, every 6 hours, and so on. So there's that, and here I have given I've specified an output here where I've added like person's LinkedIn profile. You can even do this with company LinkedIn profile as we are using Ghost Genius. Ghost Genius is a brilliant tool that gives you multiple endpoints to extract almost any kind of data from LinkedIn. You can see like we have profile endpoints, we have company endpoints as well. So right now I've done it with profile like person profiles. So I have given two sample, like first is my LinkedIn URL and the second is a random LinkedIn URL that I picked. So we are splitting these LinkedIn URLs because we want to pass it inside a loop. Now we are passing it inside a loop. First, it takes the first LinkedIn URL, which is my LinkedIn profile URL. And it's first of all, before going it like sending data to AI agent, we are getting the date and time because AI agent like Anthropic API does not has information about what day and time right now is. So that's why we are extracting the date and time first. Now I'm showing you how I have prompted the AI agent. It's a very simple prompt. So help me find the LinkedIn post from this week so far. So I mentioned I want to get the LinkedIn post from this week. That's why I've specified today's date and time here from from this LinkedIn profile. So it passes like my LinkedIn profile. And if you can't find any, stop the operation. So I've given it the instruction like just stop it if you can't find any LinkedIn profile, any post from this LinkedIn profile. So today is this date. So now this AI agent is connected to Anthropic. So I'm biased to Anthropic because I personally feel it works better than like ChatGPT. And I have connected one tool here. So this is a HTTP request that I'm making to Ghost Genius. So this HTTP request is like getting me all the post from any LinkedIn profile. You can see like this is like it is giving me all the post from my LinkedIn profile. Now, once I have all the post details, now I'm specifying the outputs, like how I want the output to be. So I've specified I want the output in this format. So now it knows, and when it's giving the output, I'll just quickly show you. Yeah, you can see the output. It's giving me the output in whatever format I would like ask it to, and then it's passing the output to another split node where we are splitting the links of the LinkedIn posts. Now we are splitting the links of the LinkedIn post. Now like we have 10 different posts, and we are passing these posts to into a loop. So this is the loop. So what happens inside this loop is for each LinkedIn post, we are gathering the LinkedIn post like details, like the how, like the total reactions, total comments, and so on. So for this, we are using another endpoint of Ghost Genius. So I'll just quickly show you. I think it is this endpoint, yeah, post details. So get post details. We are using this endpoint here to get the post details. So once we have the post details, we are running a custom code to create a count for loop. So let's say like each. So when we are extracting the likes, like the reactions or comments from a post, each page returns like 20 outputs. Okay, so like 20 likes, then page 2 returns the next 20 likes, page 3 next 20 likes, and so on. So for that we want to specify. So let's say we have 278 okay, right now I did this for comments, so we have 289 comments. So that means there must be 15 pages for this. So this is what we are doing in the code node, and then we are splitting this out again. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 count 10. So we have to extract it until like page 10 and page 2 like page 15. Yeah, so we are extracting the data till page 15. 15 into 20 is equal to the total number of data that we are extracting. Then we are passing it to the loop here. So inside the loop, I'll just show you. I've connected this AI agent again. So this AI agent, I've given another sample like prompt here. Your task is to find the LinkedIn commenters from this LinkedIn post. So it's giving the first post that it extracted. You can see like this is the first post. Once you find the commenters, you need to identify if the prospects match my ICP. My ICP criteria is I have blah blah blah. So I've given my ICP criteria here, and you will be able to see their headline. So when like it's extracting the commenters or like the LinkedIn reaction, like people who have reacted on any LinkedIn profile. It also gets the LinkedIn headline. For example, my headline is I help businesses create GTM strategies. So it gets the headline, and based on the headline, I'm asking it to make a decision if this ICP is a fit for me or not. So right now I've only done this just to show you guys like what is the possibilities. You can even add an extra. I created a previous video, I think last Monday, about this, like how you can filter out ICPs using like live data from the LinkedIn profile as well as the company LinkedIn profile. You can add this step in between as well so that your ICP match is like absolutely accurate because you are making decision based on the data extracted from their profile as well as the LinkedIn profile. But yeah, for this example, I'm just doing it with like the surface level data just to show you what's possible. So there's that. Like I have instructed it to figure out my ICP, and then this node, yeah, it's extracting. Right now I'm only doing it on comments. You can add another tool here. You can just simply add a HTTP request another tool here and also do it for reactions. Right now I'm only extracting the comments just to show you how this workflow works. So we are extracting the comments. I'll just quickly show you how the extraction data looks like. So yeah, you can see, I think this is the data. Yes, you can see. So like this person commented on my LinkedIn post, and this is their LinkedIn URL. This is the headline that I was talking about: strategic marketing growth leader, ABM specialist. If my ICP says that I want to help ABM specialist, then it's going to mark it as true, and it's going to then send me a Slack message saying that, hey, we have found a person that like matches your ICP. I'll just quickly open my Slack and show you the sample uh, automated responses. So yeah, you can see this Chris, engineering outbound, blah blah blah. There his LinkedIn profile. This is the comment that uh, he commented on my LinkedIn profile. And similarly, we have the next profile, and so on. So this is how this workflow is working. Now, not just this, like right now we are just sending a message to Slack, right? But you can simply add more tools here. Let's say you want to send it to a Clay table. You can also add a HTTP request, send these data to a Clay table using Clay Catch webhook. And like, let's say you want to send these data to SmartLead or any enrichment tool of your choice or any outbound sequence that you're already running. You can send this data to anywhere you want. Plus, to this AI agent, you can add, like if you want to do the ICP filtering in more depth, you can add more endpoints as tools there. Like it has like extreme, like there are a lot of endpoints there. You can add any endpoints that you want to filter out the ICP, like you filter out your ICP with much details. So one thing to note here is like I have not added a way to, right now I have not added a way to filter out the leads that were already sorted in the past. So like right now I've not added any way. So you can also do one thing is you can add an Airtable here, and every time you get a lead, you can add the lead like the LinkedIn engagement leads into this Airtable. Let's say you got like 10 different leads and you added all those leads to a Airtable, and now you are running a check. If this lead was already checked in the past, please don't enrich this, like this lead, just skip this lead because you have already enriched and sorted that lead in the past. But if you do the enrichment for all the leads every time, it's going to cost you a lot of credits. So let's say you have 2000 like reactions on your LinkedIn comments every week, like LinkedIn competitors posts every week, then it's going to enrich for 2000 contacts every week, which is like very expensive. So let's say every week there are like 50 new commenters, or let's say 100 new commenters every week that your your competitors are getting. So you can add a conditional check using Airtable that if and only if the commenters or the LinkedIn reactions are new, only filter out enrich those leads and then help me filter out my ICP from only the new reactions from my competitors LinkedIn profile, so that you save a lot of credits there. So yeah, this step I have not added. If you want, you can like simply add this step to save yourself from spending extra credits. So yeah, this I know it was a pretty long video, but yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I can just simply help you. If you're building this yourself, I can just simply guide you if you want, or if you want me to create like basically polish the system, or like you want me to add more features to this workflow so that it becomes a solid competitor crushing machine, just send me a message and we can have a quick chat. So yeah.